Welcome back to my no your no our channel Code Tech and Vlogs by Akash YouTube channel. So you have seen that thumbnail. The thumbnail is very crazy because so many members have interest to use PCU, but they did not have chance because of some problems in their home. But now I will give you that chance. That is, convert your mobile into PCU. Yes, converting a mobile into PCU is just very easy. So now I will convert my mobile into PCU desktop. How? Let's see. So friends, don't only your mobile converts into desktop, it also works like desktop, but it did not gives the range which PCU desktop gives us. So this is the first disadvantage and last disadvantage of this app. So let's go and convert our mobile into PCU desktop. Friends, for to convert your mobile into PCU, you need a app that is in Play Store. The name of that app is Win98 Simulator. So search for Win98 Simulator. The link of this app is in description. Please see that description box. And this is very cheap because it's only 1.8 MB. You can every Android mobile can install this app. So install this app. So this app is installing, and now this app is installed. Now come back and now see that app. Open that app. Some advertisements are here. Is tutorial how to use the mouse to move the mouse. Swipe to left click the mouse, press the volume button to tap the touch screen, or tap the touch screen. To right click the mouse, press the volume down button. Show the startup. Yes, I got it. Now this is Microsoft Windows 98. If you see here, your mobile converted into PCU. Yes, see this. Your mobile converted into PCU. This is Notepad. I have clicked here. The screen is changed into PCU desktop. Yes, this is so better. In below you have also browsers. Now I want to browse something, that is browse. This is inbox, Outlook Express, Microsoft Outlook Express, and then come back and off it. Now arrow, close it all. With this you can gain the knowledge to use the computer. You have also your Android apps also here. If you see here, Internet Explorer, press on it. Here browser, press on it. If you see here, the Google is opened. You can also see here images, Microsoft Internet Explorer, favorites, tools, You can also search here. For searching, you open. For searching, you will open a keyboard. Now press on dock. Now here also you have my computer. Free cell, softwares, or you have WordPad. Or you can have, with this app your mobile converted into a PC desktop. Now click start. If you click start, on the left side last button you have shutdown in the log off or user, run, help, find, settings, documents, favorites, programs. You have also programs. Now click on online services, startup, internet explorer, or you have Windows also. Now click on Windows. Your Windows is open, your Windows document is open. Program files, my documents. You can also see your image, your Android phone images in this also. If you want to recycle, you will also have recycle bin. Click on start button. If you want to know about this app, there is a help button. Click on that. You will the Windows 98, Microsoft Windows 98. Welcome to help. Use the help system to learn more. If you want to learn more about this app, you use this type. And friends, to open this app or any app, you need to click the volume button. I put the arrow mark on the app and I have pressed the volume button. Now this app will open. Create shortcut, delete. If you want to delete this app from your PCU, you will delete from this button. I want to open this, then press open. This is a game. 1 1 These are all bugs. I don't have knowledge to play this game. To gain the knowledge, there is help button to you. Help topics about Minesweeper, Microsoft or Minesweeper, Windows 98 copyright. Okay. Or if you want to close this game, you will simply press on it. Android, you have my documents. Press on that and press volume button. Windows Media Player, open. You have favorites also. So simply friends, this app is my mobile now. My mobile converted into a PCU desktop. So this is a very good app. If you want to close this, just click on back button. You will came to your Android version. So friends, it's a crazy app because our mobile converted into a PCU desktop. So we can also use the apps like Recycle Bin or any other apps, the software app or Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Windows, that is Windows 98 model. That is a crazy app because our mobile converted into a PCU desktop. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Please read the description and follow me in Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Friends, please comment what is this video is helpful or not in the comments box, and subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share this video to all because so many members have interest to use PCU but they did not have chance. This is a good chance to use. The app name is Windows 98. Win 98 simulator. Win means Windows. So until the next video, bye bye. Please subscribe to my channel.